Back to my channel. I'm Dr. Coach and you're watching Dr. Coach Vlogs. I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you a very important equipment necessary for the YouTubers. So this equipment I purchased around a month back, and I wanted to make unboxing videos also, and I wanted to make this video for quite some time now, but somehow I was not able to do it. But today I am back with a video, and so today in this video what I'm going to talk about, I'm going to talk about this HOLLYLAND LARK M1 wireless microphone. So unboxing has already been done. If I get a video, I'll give by the side. But what I'm going to tell you today is I'm trying to show you what are the contents you get when you purchase this HOLLYLAND LARK M1. There are two types of you can either go for one microphone and one receiver set, or you can go for two microphone and one receiver set, and the second one comes with charging case. But the one that I purchased is the one having only one transmitter and one receiver, and this comes with this beautiful cage. So everything whatever is necessary, everything is within this cage. So case is very sturdy and good, very handy. So let us open up. So once you open up, what you see inside is this side you will see rippers all broken. This is the receiver. This is the receiver. Let me just take out everything first. This is the receiver. I'll keep it here. And this is the transmitter, or the so-called the mic. Let me keep it here. And we have two connecting cables. One is TRS to TRS. That means this cable you can use in cameras, DSLR or mirrorless cameras. So TRS to TRS. And we have another cable. And this cable is TRS to TRRS. So this side is TRS and this is TRRS. This side will go inside the phone and this will go into the receiver. And what next we have? We have two charging cables which I have not used. I'm using my mobile chargers. So this what you call USB to Type C, two charging cables for the two devices. I'll just give it back. And we have one dead cap, or the noise reduction cap. This cap, this one, which you can just fit it like this. So in windy situations, or when you want to reduce the outside noise, you can use this to reduce the unwanted sound. In this room, right now what the voice that you're hearing in this video is from another mic, and now I'll shift to this mic, and the rest of the sound audio will be from this mic. So let us see whether how good it is, or from how much distance. This room is around 15 feet long, so I'll try to see the sound capturing of this device in this room. Next sound will be from this HOLLYLAND LARK M1. Oh, I forgot. I have something more to tell. This device, this is the receiver. There are two LED lights, and these are the indicators, light indicators. And this side we have charging port for C-type charging port, and this is plus minus to increase the volume or to decrease the volume. And this is the clip which you can slot into the camera or in the tripod. Okay, and this side you have this for this cable there is 3.5 mm port, and this next to this is the on off button. To on, you have to keep pressing this for some time, then it will become on. Let me do and show you. So it's now on. This is for one mic and this is for another mic. So once the mic will be paired, one of the this light will become stable. It will not blink like this. It's paired. Let me take the mic and on and show you. This is the switch for owning. Okay, now see, now this one of the lights is blinking but one is not blinking. That means this is paired with this mic, they're not blinking. Okay, and coming back to this transmitter, this is the off on button. If you press, keep pressing for a few seconds, it will become on, and for doing off also you have to press for a few seconds and it will become off. And what is this yellow button? Yellow button, this is the only two buttons we have. This yellow button is for noise reduction. If you press once, the surrounding noise will be cancelled, or noise cancellation button. Okay, and only your sound will be picked up. Nothing, just simply clip into your collar and it is ready. Okay, now I'll use this one and talk. Now the next audio that you can hear is from HOLLYLAND LARK M1. So I have put my transmitter here in my collar, okay, in my shirt, and the phone is lying on the table. Okay, now I will show, you can tell me you can observe the difference in the sound. Previously I was using this mic. This is also a very good mic. I forgot the name, brand name of this mic. I'll give in this one, in the screen name of this. It's also a very good one. Okay, now first of all I'll show you the room dimension. The room, say, towards my back side, and this is towards the front side. It's quite a big room. It's more than a normal room size. It is around 15 feet long. Okay, so I'll keep the there in the table. I'll keep the camera in this table, and from there I'll walk to that door, and you can hear and appreciate the noise, the audio of this mic, the audio capturing capabilities of this mic. So now I'm now walking. Let me just tell you how many tiles are being used here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each tile 2 feet. 12 means 25 feet. So the dimension of this room is 25 feet. 25 feet. So this is 25 feet long. So you can hear the audio. You can tell me about the clarity. Okay, so that was the sound testing of this HOLLYLAND LARK M1 inside my room. If time permits, or if there is on certain occasions and other occasions, I may be testing this outside. This is just indoor testing. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to make this and share this video with you people since long, but today I just could make this small video. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share and like and comment in my channel. Okay, thank you.